Hello, hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to be explaining what a neutron is, what purpose does a neutron serve, and what are the properties of a neutron. Now let's draw an atom of an element. Let's say we'll be representing the element of oxygen through this model, right? And for your reference, this model is called a Bohr model, because it shows all parts of an atom, meaning neutrons, electrons, protons, the rings, etc. So, two rings and has 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the outer shell can hold 6 electrons, and the inner shell can hold more. Yeah. And the middle shell holds 2. The inner shell holds 2 electrons. Okay. And because it has this atom has 8 electrons, it will also have 8 protons, right? And they'll be represented by the green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, there's one reason why this is not an oxygen. There are no neutrons that are holding the protons in the nucleus together. So, essentially, what a neutron is a neutron. It's a subatomic particle. It resides in the nucleus of an atom. And its purpose is to hold the protons in the nucleus together, right? Because when two subatomic particles of the same charges, when they interact, they're going to repel each other, right? So they're just going to go away, and that's going to essentially break apart the nucleus, and we're not going to have oxygen, right? So the purpose of neutrons is to hold the protons together. You can kind of think of it as it's the glue, right, that holds protons together and keeps them from repelling and from the whole atom from breaking, right? 8 neutrons to hold this together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? These are all holding the protons together. And so that's the function of a neutron. Now, okay. So, one property of a neutron that's really important to know is that it has no electric charge. And again, this makes sense, because if a subatomic particle doesn't have an electric charge, it helps keep the protons together that have a positive charge in the nucleus. So, it balances everything out. It weighs 1 atomic mass unit. A third property of a neutron is that its diameter is, we could say, 1.7 times 10 to the negative 17th power meters.